In this exciting video, join us as we delve into the unrivaled expertise and industry-leading standards of Blackcoffer, a client-centric IT consulting firm. Learn about the global reach of Blackcoffer, their innovative solutions, and the unparalleled value they bring to businesses worldwide. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. A leading U.S. tech firm with over 200 employees faced a costly cloud infrastructure challenge. Their microservices on Google Cloud Run were draining their budget while limiting control. Costs were climbing fast. Their growing ML team needed more infrastructure control and Kubernetes expertise for efficient deployments. The solution? Migrate everything to Google Kubernetes engine for better control and cost efficiency. We created custom deployment manifests for every service across all environments. Separate namespaces ensured consistent deployments from development to production. Kubernetes secrets locked down sensitive data while keeping it accessible. A dedicated GKE engineer collaborated directly with the ML team for seamless containerization and deployment. We tackled secrets management across environments and team synchronization challenges. Internal networking and IAM configurations enabled seamless cloud function integration. The results were immediate. Significant infrastructure cost reduction through optimized resource usage. Deployments became faster and more consistent across all environments. The ML team gained the collaboration and infrastructure control they needed. Enhanced security through centralized secrets management completed the transformation. From Cloud Run to GKE, a migration that delivered cost savings, better control, and accelerated innovation.